everybody. Hi pandas, hi turtles, hi dolphins. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're ready for next phonics session. Fantastic. Let's just check. Have you got your pens and paper? Brilliant. Are you showing me you're good looking, good listening and good sitting? Well done. Let's remind ourselves of the phoneme that we've learned last time. It's qua, like a quack or a queen. Fantastic. Do you remember how to write it? Would you like to have a go? Beautiful. And then you can share maybe and show it to your brother or sister. I'll give you a minute. Well done. Fantastic. Beautiful. Let's see what we are going to learn today. I am so excited. Let's see. Oh, that's a little bit different. We don't have any more 2 letters. We've got 1, 2, 3 letters that make 1 sound. And you know how this is called? Oh, you are superheroes. You remember really well. It's a trigraph. Excellent. So when 3 letters hold hands together, they are called a trigraph. And this is a trigraph I. And to make I, you've got I, G, H, I. Well done. Okay, it's a little bit tricky today, but I hope you're ready up for the challenge. So let's see, what words can we find the I trigraph? What part of the day or night this is? Yes, it's a night. I can see a beautiful moon. I always like to look for the moon in the night time. I hope you too. We can see some beautiful twinkling stars. Night. Now, let's see if we can use our robot arms to say all the sounds. So we've got I, T, night. Let's use our robot arms. I, T, night. How many sounds does this word have? 1, 2, 3. Well done. Night. Now, can you try to write it down? Okay? And when you're ready, we're going to see if we can do the robot arms again. I, T, night. Well done. What a gorgeous night it is. Let's see what's coming up next. Oh, I can see maybe a little fairy. She's holding her hands up. And can you see a little light is moving? Light. L-I-T. Light. Can you do that? Let's use our robot arms. Ready? L-I-T. Light. Fantastic. Where can you hear this? The trigraph I. Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is in the middle. You are superheroes. Okay, let's say goodbye to the fairy. Bye. We love your light. Oh, that makes me shiver. Look at the frog. What is the frog doing? The frog is swinging high. Do you like to swing on the swings really high? Oh, I admire you. Well done. So it's high. Huh? I. Oh, that was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Only how many sounds? 1, 2, 2 sounds. Huh? I. Hi. Now, let's check if your mummies and daddies know that too, because that's easy peasy. Let's trick them. Huh? I. Hi. Beautiful. The frog is swinging high. Let's see. Uh-oh. Look at their faces. What are they doing? The Batman and the Spider-Man, Superman, sorry, they are fighting. Fight. I. T. Fight. Let's use our robot arms. I. T. Fight. Now, can you do it by yourself? Well done. I. T. Fight. 3 sounds. Where can you hear the I sound? Is it at the beginning, middle, or the end? It's in the middle again, just like with the word light. Okay, boys, please stop. I think they had to come to Brooklyn, so we have to tell them about our golden rules. We'll leave them to it. Let's go to the next one. Okay. So I hope you've got your pens ready, and or pencils and paper, and or any boards you've got. We're gonna try to practice writing the I sound. Okay. What a beautiful sound. Okay. So let me get the board quickly ready. We're gonna find the pens. Beautiful. I. Okay, so I'm going to come this way, and we have to make sure there's 3 letters. So the first letter was A. Well done. So we're going to go down the insect's body and a dot. Now that was easy peasy. Lemon squeezy, who can remind me what's the next sound? G. Well done. Okay, so we're going to go around the girl's face and down her head. Beautiful. Good. And the last letter is H. H. Like a horse. So down to the horse's hoofs, over his back, and down again to the hoofs. I. Now I'm going to draw a little line underneath, because this is our trigraph. Okay? So 3 letters. I, G, H. They make this sound. I. Now I hope you can make it a little better than Miss Glonek. Can you write it small? Can you write it big? That's the challenge for you. Off you go. How many I can you write? Beautiful. Okay. Oh, now we've got a sentence. Get yourself ready. We're going to remember about our tricky words as well. The frog swings high on his swing. We can see the frog is still swinging high on his swing, isn't he? Can you find the I sound? Which word can you find it? That's right, in the word high. I. Hi. Beautiful. Now I wonder if you can write that sentence down, and can you remember about capital letters, and can you add a little full stop at the end? Or maybe if you want, you can try to write your own sentence with other I words like light, night, or fight. I hope they stopped fighting now. Okie dokie. Thank you so much everybody today for your time at your phonics session, and hope to see you again soon. Bye!